Have you ever wondered why vinegar is crucial for making pickles? Today, we're diving into how vinegar not only preserves food, but also enhances its flavor and texture. Pickling is the process of preserving foods in an acidic solution, typically vinegar. The acid acts as a preservative by preventing the growth of harmful bacteria. The most common types of vinegar used for pickling are white vinegar, apple cider vinegar, and rice vinegar. White vinegar is popular due to its neutral flavor and high acidity level. Vinegar's primary preservative property comes from acetic acid, which gives pickled foods their characteristic tanginess. The pH of the solution must be below 4.5 for effective preservation. Pickling vinegar is specifically formulated with a higher acidity level, usually around 5–7%, which helps preserve the food while adding a tangy flavor. This makes it ideal for pickled vegetables and fruits. Different types of vinegar can be used in pickling, each contributing unique flavors to the final product. For instance, apple cider vinegar is often preferred for its crisp and clean taste. In summary, vinegar plays a crucial role in pickling by preserving food through its acidity while also enhancing the flavor. Its neutral or distinctive tastes make it essential for creating delicious pickled dishes. Now you know why vinegar is so important in pickling. What type of vinegar do you think would be best for your next batch of homemade pickles? Let us know in the comments.